For the past 7 years, my wife's been telling me that my snoring has been getting worse. For years, I shrugged it off since some days were better than others. But in the last year, my snoring has been echoing throughout the house. The kids were telling me that they could hear me through their bedroom walls. On some days, my wife had to get up in the middle of the night and sleep in a different room because I was keeping her awake. Other days, she would nudge me, shake me, scratch my head. Sometimes that would work, just long enough for her to fall back asleep. I started waking up feeling exhausted, and functioning throughout the day was becoming a concern. Exercise was out of the question because my energy levels were depleted by the end of the day. I tried other products such as anti-snoring pillows and nasal strips, but they didn't work for me. Then one day, while I was on Instagram, I found the Vital Sleep mouthpiece for snoring. I saw it was made in the USA, which was important to me, and it offered the hope that I needed. I ordered Vital Sleep from their website, and within a few days, I received it. I took it out of the packaging, heated it in hot water, and molded it to my teeth. I've been using Vital Sleep for the past 4 months with great success. My wife is beyond grateful. I'm breathing better, and I no longer snore, unless I'm taking a Saturday nap on the couch and my Vital Sleep is upstairs. I now wake up feeling rested, and I even get up before the alarm clock goes off. I'm thankful for finding Vital Sleep. My name is Gil, and I live in Tampa, Florida. I am a real user of Vital Sleep and a voiceover actor. Getting a good night's sleep is very important to me and my career. So, thank you, Vital Sleep, for creating this fantastic product.